How easy is it to create amazing hover effects like these using only HTML and CSS? Let's find out. We will have 4 different hover effects and an additional 4 where the image also changes. So in the first 4 image effect divs we use the same image, but in the later 4 we use a different image. And we add a class that corresponds to the effect we will use on the images inside this div. In the CSS we start by creating a simple layout and writing all of the CSS styles that the images share. And after that we can start working on the individual effects for each image. So the images will be in the center of the image effect div and they will be layered one on top of the other. We will add a transition to both images. The first image will also have a timing function, and I will share a link in the description of the video for a website that generates these timing functions. This is the one in particular that I like to use. The second image will also have animations, so there will be 2 animations. One is for when the mouse hovers over the image and the other one is when the mouse hovers out of the image. And we will create the keyframes for these animations later on in the video. We will also make the second image a little larger, so when it reveals itself, it will look like it is a zoom-in effect. And now we move on to creating each of the transition effects. Each one of these will be a transition between 2 clip path objects. So you will see here that we will have some ellipses, circles, polygons, rectangles, anything, you name it. And we simply transition from one clip path object to the other, so in these examples it will usually be the same object from a larger size to a smaller size. So for example, a big circle that covers the entire image, it transitions to a small circle until it completely disappears. I will also share a website in the description that helps you create these shapes. And the last step would be to create the keyframes, so this will be the animation for the hover in and hover out effects. This will just be a combination of filters, so when you hover in you will see something like a flash effect, and also I will apply a different filter on the hover out animation to create something a little different. The combinations are pretty much endless, so I hope you will take these examples and create something of your own. You can try animating between different clip paths or filters. Experiment a little, be creative, and who knows what might come out of it. And as far as this video goes, we are done, so that's it. Easy, right? If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.